So here it goes, folks. Here's proof that that Pax Forex is truly 100% a scam. And should you complain at any given point, this is what happens. They manipulated the market last week, and they took every single dollar out of my account and would not allow me to deposit any money into the account to save the account from getting margin called. So they knew this was probably going to happen, and shortly after they refused to give me any emails back. They refused to talk to me on Skype. They refused to talk to me on Facebook. They've blocked me from accessing my account on their website. Which this is not the only video that I'm going to be posting here shortly. But yeah, this is totally out of line for them and 100% disrespectful. So, yeah, you can see this. My name's been blocked. I can't sign in. I can't do nothing. What the fuck? Want to show you guys also that I've sent them several emails in response to the situation here. You can see some of this, but unfortunate, I will show you guys a few of these emails through text, but as you can see on the right hand side, for the past 2 weeks, past 2 weeks, I've been trying to tell them that there's been problems and they don't seem to want to fix the shit and everything else. So, yeah. So let me pause this real quick and I will show you some of these emails. Well, all the videos or all these emails and shit, it's just going to take too long to do all this shit. So, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all this, really. I didn't get no response out of this one, didn't get no response out of this one. Showed them a video, how I couldn't get into the account to deposit money. They disabled me from depositing money into the account. So, yeah. And there it is. Yep. And yeah. So yeah, nothing I can do. There it is. They blocked me. And they are the worst piece of shit company to deal with. And I hope you get hit by a bus.